everyone and a very warm welcome to my channel, and my name is Ramandeep, and today's video is swatches video. Yes, so these are the swatches for newly launched lipsticks by Maybelline. These are called Maybelline Powder Matte Lipsticks by Color Sensational, and these have been newly launched, and they were with Nykaa. I have purchased them from Nykaa, and they have extremely beautiful shades which are available in this range of lipsticks. And yeah, so I wanted to talk about these lipsticks. So yeah, before I talk about these lipsticks and before I tell you about the texture and all that stuff, first let me show you about the packaging of it. So it comes up in this kind of packaging. This is the packaging of it. I haven't removed the outer this thing also. So it is sealed with this paper, and on that the rate and expiry date, everything is written. And the expiry is like 36 months from the date of manufacture. This retails for 500 rupees for 3.9 grams, which is like good, really nice, good amount of lipstick which you get. Then there is a list of ingredients over here, and yeah, these are the powder mattes by Color Sensational. So yes, this is how the packaging looks like, and you can open the lid from this, and then you have a bullet. And one thing which I really love about this packaging is the lock thing of this. Like, it's like really very it gets locked very nicely. There is no point that it can open in your purse, or if you have kept the lipsticks in your pocket. And one more thing which I like about the packaging is that the color of this outer lid, this color is specifically, it tells about the color which is inside it. Like, this color is a dark burgundy kind of color, and almost same color is inside of the lipstick. And I have 3 shades with me. I have the Plum Perfection kind of, and this is a pink shade, and you can see that the lid is also pink color. So it really helps you to distinguish between your lipsticks when you are in hurry. It's not that you just pick any of the random lipsticks and then you have to search for the lipsticks. It's just from the outer cover you can very well tell the color of which color is there inside of the lipsticks. So yeah, this is all about the packaging. So I have purchased 3 shades, and I would be swatching all 3 of them for you so that you could check it out, and then I would be talking about the texture and transferability and everything after the demo of the swatches. So yeah, let's get on to the swatches first. Hand swatches of all the lipstick shades. This is Plum Perfection, a beautiful plum shade, reddish plum shade, and very good for evening and night wear. And next is a beautiful pink fuchsia kind of shade. This is my favorite shade. I just love this shade. A beautiful pink fuchsia shade. And next is again a everyday wear shade, and this is like a kind of pinkish nude shade. I just love this shade. So if you want to experiment, you can certainly check out the blush shade. All, welcome back from the demo. So I hope you have liked the demo of the swatches video for the powder mattes by Lakme. And let me go ahead and tell you about the texture of it. They are like extremely powdery matte finish, like a velvety matte kind of finish they have, and it remains on your lips for around quite decent time, like more than I think 4-5 hours. Like this lipstick I have applied in the morning around 11 I guess, and now it's around 3 o'clock, so it's still on my lips. And in between I have had some snacks, I had water, but still it's there on my lips, so you can see that it has not gone, even it hasn't gone from very much from this area. And regarding the transferability, because it is a powder matte, it changes into it doesn't changes into matte, but it is actually matte when you apply it on your lips. So regarding the transferability, it's almost negligible transferable, like almost not transferable. So you can't get stains on your if you're drinking something, or if on your hands, on your teeth, there is very less possibility of getting stains of lipstick on your teeth or anything which you are drinking or something like that. And it just remains when even if you have had some snacks. Yeah, so this is the thing which I liked about these lipsticks. And yes, I have already talked about the packaging, so it's really not transferable. In all, I would really like to give this lipstick approximately like 4.3 out of 5. And yeah, in fact I'll give 4.5, because these are like really matte lipsticks. People who love to wear matte, these lipsticks are for them. Like, it's extremely velvety texture. I really love them because I love wearing matte shades. So yeah, I right now I have only 3 shades, but I think I would be purchasing more shades. And yeah, whenever I would be purchasing, I would be sharing it with you on my Instagram. So for that, do follow me on my Instagram. I have a links on the description box below. Do check it out. Follow me on Instagrams to check the shades which I would be purchasing in near future maybe. Yeah, and I really love them. These are really beautiful lipsticks. Yes, a must have in your vanity, girls. So yeah, if you have liked this review and demo of the lipsticks, please give this video a thumbs up, and please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You guys can follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. All the links are in the description box below, and if you have further more questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. I would really be very happy to answer all your questions. So yeah, that's it for now, girls, and you guys have a good day. Bye.